Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Central. I am your English teacher Melike, and today we are going to learn about 3 words that are commonly mistaken by English learners. Let's take a look. Today we are going to learn about there, and there. Let's take a look at how they are written now. There. So this is written as T-H-E-Y-R and E. This is the short version of they are and can be used in sentences like they are good kids, or it can be used in sentences like they are going to be late for dinner. Next up we have there. It is written as T-H-E-I-R. This is a word that represents possession. Check out this sentence. Their house is huge. Lastly, we have there. T-H-E-R-E. This word points towards a place. You can use this word in sentences like this. There is a campsite in the forest. For a better understanding, you can visit our website englishcentral.com by clicking the link below. Also, if you do not know, English Central is filled with lots of educational materials to help and guide students in their journey. You can also book one-on-one live lessons with professional English teachers to practice your skills. We offer 1 trial lesson for free. Let's remember what we learned today. These 3 words, there, and there, sound very similar to each other. However, they are very different. There is the short version of they are. There represents possessiveness, and there indicates a place. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. You can also click the link below to visit our website englishcentral.com, or you can consider downloading our app English Central to start your English learning journey in the most beneficial way possible. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye!